Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, then you do what you have imagined, and at last you create what you always wanted to do.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
It takes more than passion and conviction, something akin to the stuff dreams are made of, to start and run a school in a place like Rajkot, the business hub of Saurashtra.
And to see to it that year after year it becomes synonymous with quality education.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all. We, Ansha Kohli
and Akshata Ishwar from class 10
would like to take you for a walk down the memory lane. The year was 2002. A milestone was set. The school we proudly know as Delhi Public School Rajkot was born at Neptune Tower in the city from an already existing school known as Rosehaven Public School, and began with its new academic session its remarkable and exciting journey of educating and nurturing young minds like us under the aegis of Delhi Public School Society.
The first steps of the school included creation of a conducive environment for holistic education, exposure through intra and inter-school competitions, field trips, celebrations and cultural programs which form the nitty-gritty of school life. The school very soon earned a unique identity and name for itself under the vibrant leadership of our first principal, Ms. Sunila Malhotra.
In January 2004, the school led forward by our next very able principal, Dr. Arun G, shifted to its current campus at Haripur, away from the din and bustle of the city in a pollution-free environment. Some highlights of the next 3 years include CBSE affiliation up to grade 12, first position in inter-DPS competition and for position paper in DPS Model UN, second position in Josh inter-DPS cultural fiesta, career counseling seminars, Speak Like a programs, evening camps and annual day IF.
Mr. Manoj Dubey, our current principal, joined the school in April 2007. New initiatives like talent shows, group discussions, horse riding, doctors club, environment and community service clubs have been thereafter taken up by the school. The school hosted CBSE TT tournament thrice and inter-DPS zonal events like folk dance, western music and sports quiz in which our students bagged the first positions. Eminent personalities from the field of cricket and other sports, doctors, artists, principals of reputed schools and well-known figures from the government and public sector regularly interact with the students.
Whether it is Spell Bee, Bonvita Quiz Contest or Limca Records Quiz, our students are bagging the top spots and becoming city winners, proving their dominance in quizzes, a no mean feat indeed. Through plantation drives, musical Eve Tarang, plays Harmony and Change, Pollution, Save Energy and fire safety shows during science exhibition, the Save the Girl Child, Say No to Tobacco and Obey Traffic Rules rallies and articles in Times of India in the wake of the Delhi incident. The school has never shirked from its social and environmental responsibilities and always tried to spread the message of peace and harmony in the society.
Now the year is 2013. Another milestone is set. The school has now completed a decade of its existence. From a modest beginning with around 200 students, now with the strength of over 1,000 enthusiastic students, the school has indeed come a long way.
Ladies and gentlemen, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
We, along with our fellow compeers, feel extremely happy to take you through this remarkable and exciting journey of 10 years of our school.
In the course of the special cultural programs fondly named Journey by us, to commemorate this momentous occasion and presented before you in 2 parts. Part 1 presented by the students of classes 6 to 12 and Part 2 by the students of classes pre-nursery to class 5. All the students of the school are participating in this decade program, journey that will span 2 days.
On this historical occasion, we are extremely privileged to have as our chief guest none other than Shri Vajubhai Wala, Speaker, State Assembly. He has visited the school on significant occasion. Boy Neil Bhimani to welcome him with a shawl as a token of our gratitude. Welcome, sir. Thank you, Neil.
Over the years, the school has forged a bond of lasting relationship with many members of the society and with the parents. It is their encouragement and support that motivates us to scale new heights. It gives us immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries and invited guests, members of the media, Parents Teachers Council, and our dear parents present here today.
A school is a temple of knowledge. Let us begin our program by invoking the blessings of the Goddess of Knowledge, Goddess Saraswati. I request Principal Sir to escort our Chief Guest and Pro-Vice Chairman Mr. Rajendra Kamdar for the lighting of the lamp of knowledge, which signifies the dispelling of darkness, of ignorance.
Shri Vanubhai Wala, Honorable Speaker, the State Assembly, Mr. Kamdar, Pro-Vice Chairman, members of the Managing Committee, Parent Teacher Council, and our alumni, parents and dear children. It's a great occasion for all of us to have assembled here, because 10 years journey in a way is very long, but in another way it's too short for a school like us. As girls have already announced, the school came up in 2002, now this is 2013, 10 years plus. We have achieved a lot, but that doesn't mean we become complacent. Journey will continue. First batch of grade 12 passed out in 2007, and from that batch he was a young boy, remains young boy, but slightly bigger boy. Doctor is sitting here with us. I'll call him to speak to us. The school has contributed to the society. We take the children of very tender age. It's like a raw clay that we take, but then we try to shape it in such a way that it becomes useful instrument for the society. We have produced doctors, engineers, chartered accountants. We have also contributed to the armed forces. One of the students has joined Indian Air Force as a pilot. We are very proud indeed that yes, we are contributing to the society in the best possible manner. Now DPS in Delhi, definitely I worked here for so long, has contributed at national level. Presently two ministers, two cabinet ministers, Salman Khurshid, your external affairs minister, and law minister Ashwani Kumar, they are from DPS background. They did their schooling from DPS. This is the contribution at national level. When I was in Indonesia, I was told that the Defense Minister of Indonesia did his schooling from DPS Delhi. So that is the contribution at international level. Now, such a repute is there, such an institute has come to this hinterland of Gujarat. It's by no way a mean feat. Sole credit goes to our, in this system, trustee and in DPS language, Pro-Vice Chairman, Mr. R.V. Kamdar. It was his dream and his sustained efforts that brought DPS to this place. Thank you so much. Let us all put our hands together for him. Generations of this Rajkot city will remember Mr. Kamdar for the work that he has done. We all wish you a very, very long and healthy life so that you contribute to the cause of education. Now at other fronts, what DPS is doing, the main problem that country is facing is of the corruption, because the desire to take more and more, that becomes one of the causes to promote corruption. We have set up a community service club in the school where we teach the children to give. We call it joy of giving. They take pleasure in giving. I am sure that the change is taking place now. When it is being done at grassroots level, a time will come, we will see that yes, we are contributing significantly in mitigating this menace of corruption. We are also connecting to the society by taking out rallies in the city for a noble cause. Either it is say no to tobacco, we want people not to have tobacco. We want people to obey traffic rules. We held a rally in the city which was widely accepted and appreciated by society at large. Our children are also writing in the newspapers. Parents, you must have read quite often they are writing on the burning issues of the society. Recently what happened in Delhi, our children have written two beautiful articles, widely appreciated and acclaimed by everyone. We are contributing to the vibrant democracy of India. This is our contribution. I'll share with you just one small incident that took place. After this Delhi event, I met boys and girls. Quite often I meet and I talk to them. They have one feeling and sort of concern. What they are saying, that parents do not listen to the children. This is what they feel, and they openly said. I said, okay, I'll communicate to the parents when there is an opportunity. So parents are sitting here. I request you all, please listen to the children. Convince them, albeit in your own way. But then simply inflicting your own desire on the children, I think will not yield the results. I have taken the initiative. In this program, you will see that 2 or 3 programs items are there, which I am not so much convinced, but children want it. So keeping in mind their desire, we have included this. My chairman says that success is not a destination, success is a journey. Same is the journey here, and journey always continues. This is just one step, one decade, because the first school of DPS has completed 6 decades, means they have completed 6 steps, we have completed 1 step only. 1,000 miles means 999 decades are left to be celebrated to begin with. This success story continues. Thank you so much, parents, for coming and having faith in us. I welcome you all to enjoy the show. This is in fact the manifestation, the platform being provided to them is to manifest their skills, and their skills are always coupled with the skill of the teachers. So together we are working, and together we continue work to see that school moves ahead and ahead. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, sir. It was his dream to bring Delhi Public School to Rajkot. Now I request our Pro-Vice Chairman to express his feelings on the occasion.
आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट श्री वजूभाई वाड़ा, जो नागरिक बैंक के चेयरमैन हो या राजकोट के मेयर हो या राजकोट के धारासभ्य हो या तो रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर हो कि फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हो, निष्पक्ष अभी जो चलाना है स्पीकर पद, उसको शोभा, वो हमारे राजकोट के लिए वो गौरव की बात है कि ऐसी व्यक्ति हमारे राजकोट में। और आज वो हमारे स्कूल में जब भी रोज जवन स्कूल चालू हुआ था तभी उसने बताया था कि हाई राइज बिल्डिंग में से कोई बाहर में बड़ी जगह लेके बड़ी स्कूल बनाओ, अच्छी रहेगी। और उसका जो शब्द निकले थे वो आप आज देख रहे हैं कि बाहर में जो हमारा स्कूल जो आज आई तो उसके बाद उसका डेवलपमेंट कितना है। अभी मैं उसका स्वागत करता हूं। एक जो स्पीकर पद के लिए जो उसकी निमणूक हुई है, दूसरा हमारे पर विश्वास रखते हुए हमारे पेरेंट्स, मेरे प्यारे बच्चे और प्रिंसिपल और उसकी टीम। जो प्रिंसिपल लगभग साल में 50 से ज्यादा एक्टिविटीज करवाते हैं। कभी कभी पेरेंट्सों को भी मालूम नहीं होता है कि स्कूल में क्या चलता है। उसमें पेरेंट्स की कोई गलती नहीं है, क्योंकि आज के जमाने में वो भी इतने बिजी रहते हैं कि उसके पास बच्चा क्या स्कूल में जाके कर रहा है, क्या सीख के आता है, उसके लिए केयर करने का कभी कभी पेरेंट्स को भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है। लेकिन कभी कभी आप ज्यादा न करें तो भी आप इतना करिए कि जब भी यहाँ कोई प्रोग्राम हो तो यहाँ आपकी प्रेजेंस जरूरी इसलिए है कि आपके बच्चे के लिए प्रिंसिपल और उसकी टीम कितना काम कर रही है वो मालूम पड़े। 50 से ज्यादा एक्टिविटीज कराना वो कोई सामान्य बात नहीं होती है। और बच्चे को स्टेट लेवल पे ले जाना, जोन लेवल पे ले जाना, नेशनल लेवल पे ले जाना, उसके लिए पूरे दिन प्रिंसिपल और उसकी टीम को काम करना पड़ता है। आज का जो प्रोग्राम है उसके लिए मैं प्रिंसिपल और उसकी टीम को अभी से ही शुभेच्छा दे रहा हूं कि ये प्रोग्राम जो 10 साल हमारा पूरा हो रहा है, वो प्रोग्राम देख के भी प्रिंसिपल और उसकी टीम का वर्क क्या है वो सहज रूप से आपको मालूम हो जाएगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
10 years is a long leap and yet a short step in the history of a school. It is a daunting task imagining how many defense officers, CAs, engineers, entrepreneurs, sportspersons and artists have stepped out and will step out from the portals of this school in future. Some of them, like Harshvardhan Gadvi, regularly feature on TV. Like shows or like Vikal Givani have got a break in their first movie. This joyous occasion would have been but incomplete without the presence of our alumni.
It gives us a lot of happiness to have amidst us 3 of our alumni who had, with their sheer intelligence, creativity and genius of talent, added a lot of value to the school during their presence here, and after leaving the school have made mark for themselves in diverse fields and are doing the school proud. We're extremely happy to welcome their proud parents. For those of the alumni who could not make it due to prior commitments, we're happy to have their parents proudly representing them.
We request our chief guest to felicitate our alumni and the parents. A gesture from all of us that we really appreciate the hard work and achievements of our former students and the contribution of their parents in the success. I request Principal Sir to escort our chief guest for the felicitation ceremony.
A rare combination of a gentle exterior persona and an unshakable fortitude. She was always way ahead of her classmates in academics, creative and original thinking, a desire to touch the sky. the topper of batch 2007 and 8, Commerce Stream. Her graph of performance had been remarkable even when she did a BBA from Christ College, Rajkot. Her recent achievement includes standing third in the city in the CS exam first semester. She is the future CS of our city, whose initial training has been in our school. Please welcome our former student, Millie Kamdar, and her mother, Mrs. Kamdar. We request Millie to come with her mother and receive the memento.
Thank you, Millie and Mrs. Kamdar. Can sports and medicine go together? In rare cases like his, they do. For this lanky and handsome soft-spoken national level tennis player, batch 2007-2008, sports was and still remains a passion, but he had other starry dreams to fulfill. He wanted to ensure that the smile of the people would remain intact. Having completed his bachelor's in dental surgery from AJ Institute of Dental Science, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health, Mangalore, he is currently a practicing dentist at Ahmedabad Dental College. Please put your hands together for Dr. Yashat Ganatra and his parents, Dr. Mrs. Ganatra and Dr. Ganatra. We request Dr. Yashat to come with his parents and receive the memento.
Dr. Yashat, Dr. Mrs. Ganatra and Dr. Ganatra.
The nightingale of the school, she was the friendliest student of her batch, liked and admired equally by all. This former head girl of our school, year 2010-2011, in addition to singing, loves writing and public speaking. Her articles were published in Times of India and she was the chief student editor of the school magazine Darpan. Currently pursuing Bachelor in Architecture from Indore Public School College, she is going to change the way our buildings would look. Please put your hands together for Lavanya Srivastav and her parents, Mrs. and Mr. Srivastav. We request Lavanya to come with her parents and receive her memento.
Thank you, Mrs. and Mr. Srivastav. Extremely articulate with words, he was one of the best debaters at the school. Besides a flair for writing, his reasoning power and love for reading are worth mentioning. Being always among the toppers of his batch 2010-11, no one was surprised at his getting admission in EC in Nirma at Ahmedabad, which is one of the best engineering colleges we have. Please put your hands together for Saurabh Bansali. As he is busy with his semester exams, we have his parents, Mrs. and Mr. Bansali, with us. We request them to please come and receive the memento.
And now, I request our Honorable Chief Guest to say a few words and bless the alumni and the students who will be performing today.
माननीय श्री राजूभाई कामदार, પ્રિન્સિપાલ સાહેબ, આરકેસીના પ્રિન્સિપાલ સાહેબ, દિલ્હી પબ્લિક સ્કૂલના સૌ હોદ્દેદારશ્રીઓ તેમજ દિલ્હી પબ્લિક સ્કૂલના સબ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ તથા તેમના પરિવારના સભ્યશ્રીઓ, સૌથી પ્રથમ તો દિલ્હી પબ્લિક સ્કૂલ ફક્ત ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમની અંદર સ્ટુડન્ટને ભણાવવા માટેની વાત કે શિક્ષણ આપવા માટેની વાત નથી કરતી, પરંતુ દરેક બાળકની અંદર રહેલી ટેલેન્ટ અથવા તો એમાં જે એફિશિયન્સી છે એ એફિશિયન્સીને પૂરતા પ્રમાણમાં ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી અને એ બાળક જિંદગીની અંદર પોતાનામાં રહેલી પોટેન્શિયાલિટીના દર્શન કરાવી શકે એ પ્રકારની જે એક્ટિવિટી કરે છે એ દિલ્હી પબ્લિક સ્કૂલને આપણા સૌ વતી તાલીઓના ગડગડાટથી એમને ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું. મિત્રો, વર્ષો પહેલા રાજકોટની અંદર ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમમાં ભણવું હોય તો આરકેસીમાં દાખલ થવું પડતું હતું. આરકેસી સિવાય એક પણ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમની સ્કૂલ હતી નહીં. અને મને લાગે છે અહીં બેઠેલા જે વડીલો છે એને કહીશ, જો તમારા વખતમાં દિલ્હી પબ્લિક સ્કૂલ હોત તો તમે ઘણા આગળ હોત અને તમારા બાળકો તો તમારાથી પણ ખૂબ જ આગળ હોત. એ નિર્વિવાદ વાત છે. ભૂતકાળને ભૂલી જાઓ, પણ અત્યારે ખરેખર કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ પાસે જો મૂડી હોય કે તમારી સંપત્તિ શું છે, તો તમારી પાસે કેટલા મકાન છે, કેટલી ગાડી છે, કેટલા દાગીના છે એ નથી, પરંતુ તમારા બાળક શું ભણેલા છે અને કેટલી ઇન્ટેલિજન્સી છે એ જ ખરેખર સાચી મૂડી છે. અમે તો ઘણીવાર કહી છે કે દીકરીને લગ્નની અંદર આપણે કરિયાવર આપવાનું હોય કે કન્યાદાન આપવાનું હોય તો દીકરીને આજે કન્યાદાન આપવાની જરૂર નથી, એને વિદ્યાદાન આપવાની જરૂર છે. એ વિદ્યાદાન એ જ્યાં સુધી જીવશે ત્યાં સુધી એની સાથે રહેશે. કન્યાદાનની વસ્તુમાં પલંગ હોય, કબાટ હોય, દાગીના હોય, બધાય ફેન પતુર થઈ જવાના. અને જ્ઞાન છે ને એ કાઠિયાવાડી ભાષામાં કઈ જ્ઞાન કોઈથી ગઈડું થતું નથી અને જ્ઞાન હંમેશા એ પ્રકાશિત જ રહે છે. મિત્રો, વિશેષ ન કહેતા આપ પણ સૌ અહીંયા કાર્યક્રમ માણવા માટે આવ્યા છો અને અહીં બેઠેલા હું વડીલોને કહીશ કે મહેરબાની કરીને ભૂલે ચૂકે દીકરા દીકરીઓને કોઈ દિવસ ઠપકો આપતા નહીં. નહીતર ઘણીવાર એના વડીલોને એમ લાગે કે હોશિયારમાં હોશિયાર અમે અને છોકરાઓ તમને તો કાંઈ ખબર પડે નહીં, તમને કાંઈ ભાન પડે નહીં. એ તિરસ્કૃત કરવાની વૃત્તિથી બાળકની જે કંઈ વિકાસ છે ને એ વિકાસ અટકી જાય છે. અમે કાઠિયાવાડી ભાષામાં કહીએ કે એકવાર એક બાપાને બહુ અભિમાન, છોકરાને વારંવાર એમ કહે કે સાલા તું ગધેડો છો, ગધેડો, તને તો કઈ ખબર જ નથી પડતી. તો બાપા છોકરો કહે કે પપ્પા કે હું સ્કૂલમાં ભણવામાં પહેલો નંબર આવું, રમત ગમતમાં પહેલો નંબર આવું, વક્તૃત્વ સ્પર્ધા થાય એમાં પહેલો નંબર આવું, અને તમે મને ગધેડો ગધેડો કહો છો. એ કે ઠીક, હવે અત્યારના સાહેબ તો અમારા વખતમાં જેવા શિક્ષકો હતા એવા ક્યાં શિક્ષકો છે કે. તો છોકરાને એમ થયું કે લાવ નહીં કે મારા બાપાને એક પ્રશ્ન પૂછું. એટલે છોકરો એના બાપાને પ્રશ્ન પૂછે છે કે બાપા કે તમે મને ગધેડો ગધેડો કહો છો ને? એટલે કે હા હકીકત છે ને કહું છું. તો કે બાપા ગાયના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? કે ગાયના બચ્ચાને વાછડો કે વાછડી કહેવાય. ભેંસના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? કે પાડો કે પાડી કહેવાય. તો વાંદરાના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? તો કે એને માકડું કહેવાય. હાથીના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? એને મદનિયું કહેવાય. તો કે ઊંટના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? કે ઊંટના બચ્ચાને ખોલકું કહેવાય. તો કે બાપા ગધેડાના બચ્ચા છે એને શું કહેવાય? કે ના ઊંટના બચ્ચાને બોચડું કહેવાય. કે તો કે ગધેડાના બચ્ચાને શું કહેવાય? કે ગધેડાના બચ્ચાને ખોલકું કહેવાય. તો કે બાપા હું તો તમારું બચ્ચું છું, મને ખોલકું કયો ને ગધેડો ગધેડો શું કયો છો? તમે પ્રયોગ કરી જોજો. તમારા દીકરા દીકરીને મહેરબાની કરીને કાંઈ એની યારે આપણે કાઠિયાવાડી ભાષામાં કહીને અવળચંડાઈ કરતા નહીં, એનો વાહો થાબડજો. આપણે સમજી લઈ ઘરની અંદર પુરુષ વર્ગનો માણસ હોય એ આખો દિવસ કમાવામાંથી નવરો ન થાય અને બેન છે એ કોઈ દિવસ ઘર કામમાં અને વ્યવહારિક કામમાંથી નવરા ન થાય. એ બાળકોનો વિકાસ કરનાર કોઈ પણ સંસ્થા હોય તો એ એજ્યુકેશન સંસ્થા છે, અને એજ્યુકેશન સંસ્થા એટલે દિલ્હી સ્કૂલ જે છે એ જ એનો વિકાસ કરી શકે. આવો આપણે સૌ સાથે મળી અને આપણા બાળકોનો ખૂબ વિકાસ થાય અને આ દેશની નવી પેઢી ખૂબ કાર્યશીલ બને અને ખૂબ સશક્ત બને અને એમાં દિલ્હી સ્કૂલ હજુ વધુ ને વધુ યોગદાન આપે એવી શુભ ભાવના સાથે દિલ્હી સ્કૂલના તમામ આયોજકોને ફરીથી ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ. આભાર.
That was really inspiring, sir. Thank you. We are recently joined by Mr. Vinod Thakkar, Principal RKC. Warm welcome, sir.